Hi guys, today the problem is given an undirected graph with n vertices and m edges. Okay, there is at most one edge between each pair of vertex in the graph, and the graph does not contain any loops. Edge from the vertex to itself, the graph is not necessarily connected. Okay, the question is like that. Mm, there is a graph like 1, 2, and this. Okay, and the graph is not necessarily connected means 4 and 5. Okay, and the graph does not contain self loop. This is means this is not possible. Okay, this self loop is not possible, right? And the now a graph is a cycle in the graph is a simple if it does not pass through the same vertex twice and the and does not contain same edge twice. Okay, ये कह रहा है means कि the graph contains cycle like this and this for 6. So this is not possible because this one cycle, this cycle, the edge is used 2 times. So this is not possible. Okay, and the graph is simple means there is only one cycle like that, and any of the edge only contribute in one cycle. That means none of the other edge is contribute the another cycle, means the same edge not contribute in the two cycle. Same edge or same vertex may be also. The input test case is 10 to the power 4. Okay, this okay, let me tell you, this is a test case. This 6 vertices, 6 edge like that. 1 से 2 गया. Okay, 2 से 3, 3 से 1, right? In the weight of the edge is 1 1, right? 4 to 5, 4 5, 4 5, 5 to 6, right? 5 to 6 and 6 to 4, and the weight of all of these edges are 1. So we have to choose an edge which has minimum weight. Find a simple cycle in which the weight of the lightest edge is lightest edge means the cycle in which have minimum weight of the edge, right? So in this we can choose this cycle or this cycle. We can choose first one, the weight of the edge 1 and the vertex is 1 2 3, right? So output is 1 and total vertex is 3 and the 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, this is a test case 1 output. So that matches, this output is right. Okay, let's consider another test case. This okay, 1 say 2 to 3, right? And the weight of the edge 10 and 2 to 3 is 8. Okay, and 3 to 1 is 5 and another is 4 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, the weight of edge is 100. 6 to 4, 6 to 4, the weight is 40 and 6 to 4 is weight is 3 not 40, and 5 to 6 weight is 40. In this graph, this is a single graph not two, but this graph has two component. This is one component, this is second component. This is a cycle. Okay, this is a cycle 4 to 6, 4 to 5, and 5 to 6, 4 5 6, and this is a cycle 1 से 2, 2 से 3, and the weight of this is 140 and 3. In both cycle lightest weight is this, so the answer is 3 comma the total number of vertex is 3, and the 4 3 4 5 3 4 5 3 3 3 4 5. The output is 3 3 3. Okay, wait. 4 to 5, 5 to 6. This is 6. The weight is 3. So 4 5 6. Output is 3 3 4 5 6. This, right? 3 3 and 4 5 6. This is a vertex. So let's consider how to solve this problem. We have to find a weight lightest is. Okay. The first condition is we have to find a lightest edge and having a cycle. So we can think of disjoint union set like this. We have this is a single, and whenever a cycle form, the parent of this and this is same. Whenever we connect this component, the parent of this and this node before same. So whenever we adding an edge and the parent of the same, we sort the all of the edges and consider which is minimum, and whenever we ascending order edges, and whenever we find a cycle with lightest edge, the consider this edge and answer, and traverse to this, consider this is an edge and go to this parent and go to this parent, that this edge parent is this edge parent is this edge parent is this. So nothing but finding a edge using a disjoint set union which form a cycle and the number of component in the graph. The logic is simple using a disjoint union set. Let me show the code. This is a code. We have simply using a fasting. This is taking the test cases, and we took the edge and vertices in it. We took all the edges, and in this weight we insert all the edges using a weight by edge and sort all the edges. And whenever we find a first edge which have form a cycle, we use as an answer, and otherwise merge all of the edges and use this as answer if the lightest edge. And we got this is a DFS traversal, and finding a cycle and push on all of the vector, and we print the lightest edge with cycle size, number of vertex, and print of that. This we have to show the disjoint union. This is a disjoint union. Okay, that's cool. This is a code. Thank you for watching.